If ABCD is a parallelogram with AC comma BD as diagonals, then AC bar minus BD bar is equal to dash. This is MSET 2001 question. Here is given ABCD is a parallelogram. This is the parallelogram. A, B, C. Here is AC bar is one diagonal. BD bar is another. In triangle ABC, AC bar is equal to B bar plus B. In triangle AD bar is equal to AB bar plus BD bar. But this AD bar is equal to BC. So substitute AD bar. That B bar is equal to AB bar plus BD bar. Substitute this value in this first equation. AC bar is equal to AB bar plus BC bar. BC bar value is AB bar plus BD bar. This is AC bar minus BD bar equal to AB bar plus AB bar. That is 2AB bar. If A bar is equal to I bar plus J bar plus TK bar, B bar is equal to I bar plus 2J bar plus K bar, the value of T for which A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar are perpendicular. The 2000 question. A bar plus B bar is equal to I bar plus J bar plus T into K bar plus B bar is I bar plus J bar plus 3. I bar plus I bar, that is I bar J bar plus 2 J bar plus T plus 3 to K bar. And we find A bar minus B bar is equal to I bar A bar plus TK bar minus I bar minus 2J bar minus K bar. That is equal to I minus I cancel, J minus 2J, that is minus J, T plus T minus 3 into A bar. Here A bar plus B bar comma A bar minus B bar are perpendicular. Perpendicular means dot product is equal to 0. So A bar plus B bar dot A bar minus B bar is equal to 0. Is 2I plus 3J plus T plus 3 into K dot minus J bar plus T minus 3 into K bar equal to 3 into minus J minus 3 T plus 3 into T minus 3 equal to 0. E square minus 9 is equal to 3. E square is equal to 12. E is equal to root over 4 into or minus value of T or minus root 3. Box of I bar minus J bar comma J bar minus K bar comma K bar minus I bar is equal to dash. This is MSET 2001 question. So box of is given, that is write down the determinant of 1 minus 1 0 and 0 1 minus 1 is minus 1 0 1. So find this value, that is equal to 1 into 1 minus 0 plus 1 into 0 minus 1 plus 0 into 0 plus, that is equal to 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Value of that is if A bar comma B bar comma C bar comma D bar are coplanar vectors, Then A bar cross B bar cross C bar cross D bar is equal to dash. This is MSET 2001 question. Here is given A bar comma B bar comma C bar comma D bar are coplanar vector. Means these four lies on a same plane. Then A bar cross B bar, C bar cross D bar perpendicular to the plane. Perpendicular to the same plane. That means A bar cross B bar, comma C bar cross D bar are parallel to each other. Means A bar cross B and C bar cross D bar are parallel to each other, means A bar cross B bar cross C bar cross D bar. This value is equal to 0. If the 3 points capital A comma B comma C have position vectors 1 comma x comma 3, 3 comma 4 comma 7 and y comma minus 2 comma minus 5 respectively, and if they are collinear, then the values of x comma y is dash. MSET 2002 question. Here is given position vectors is given, that is OA bar is equal to I plus xj plus 3k, and OB bar is equal to 3i plus 4j plus 7k. OC bar is equal to yi minus 2j minus 5k. These position vectors are collinear. So now we find AB bar. AB bar is equal to B bar minus A bar. It is 3i bar minus I bar, that is 2i bar plus 4 minus x into J bar, 7k minus 3k, 4k. Now we find BC bar. B bar is equal to C bar minus OB bar, that is y minus 3 into I bar minus 2j minus 4, that is minus j plus j minus 5k minus 7k, that is minus 12k. That means AB bar comma BC bar are linear. Linear means AB bar is equal to some lambda into B bar. So AB bar is 2i plus 4 minus x into j plus 4k is equal to lambda into y minus 3 into I minus 6j minus 12k. Equating the coefficients of I bar, that is 2 is equal to lambda into y minus 3. Equating the coefficients of J bar, that is 4 minus x is equal to minus 6 lambda. Equating the coefficients of K bar, that 4 is equal to minus 12 lambda. From this, lambda is equal to minus 1 by 3. Substituting this value in this equation, is 2 is equal to minus 1 by 3 into y minus 3. Minus 6 is equal to y minus 3. Y is equal to minus 3. And 4 minus x is equal to minus 6 into lambda value minus 1 by 3. 3 2 times cancelled, equal to, therefore 4 minus 2 is equal to x. X is equal to, therefore the point x comma y is equal to 2 comma minus. If the position vectors of the vertex of a triangle are 2i bar minus j bar plus k bar, comma I bar minus 3j bar minus 5k bar, and 3i bar minus 4j bar minus 4k bar, then the triangle is dash. The 2002 question. Here is given OA bar. OA bar is equal to 2i minus j plus k. OB bar is equal to I minus 3j minus 5k. And OC bar is equal to I minus 4j minus 4. Now we find the sides of the triangle, that is A is equal to BC, that is BC bar, that is B bar minus OB bar, C bar minus OB bar, 3i minus I, y minus 4j plus 3 minus 4k plus 5k. Find B bar. B bar is CA bar. A bar means A bar minus bar is 2i minus 3i minus I minus j plus 4j 3j k plus 4k 5k, and C is equal to AB bar, that is equal to B bar minus A bar, I minus 2i, I minus 3j minus k minus 5k minus k. Now we find modulus of BC bar equal to of 4 plus 1 plus 1 equal to root. Modulus of CA bar is 1 plus 9 plus 25 root 36 35, and AB bar, modulus of AB bar is equal of 1 plus 4 plus 36 equal to root over 41. Observe these lengths. Root 41 square is equal to root 35 whole square plus is modulus of AB square is equal to modulus of BC square plus modulus of C square. So that is 41 is equal to 35 plus given position vectors in position vectors forms a right angle triangle. If box ABC is equal to 3, then the volume of the parallelepiped with 2A bar plus B bar, comma 2B bar plus C bar, comma 2C bar plus A bar as edges is dash. Here is given box of ABC is equal to 3. So now volume of the parallelepiped, volume parallelepiped as edges is given, that is box of A bar plus B bar, comma B bar plus C bar, 2C bar plus A. Now we find the box of this value, that is 2 1 0 0 2 1 1 0 2 into box of A, that is equal to 2 into 8 minus 2 into 2 4 minus 0 minus 1 into 0 minus 1 plus 0 into 0 minus 2 into box of ABC equal to 2 into 4 8 8 plus 1 into box of AB equal to 9 into box ABC. The box ABC value is given, that 9 into 3. A bar plus B bar dot B bar plus C bar cross A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to dash. This is the that is equal to written as, that is box of A bar plus B bar, comma B bar plus C bar, comma A bar plus B bar plus C bar. This is the box of that. Find the box of this 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 into box A, that is equal to 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 into 0 minus 1 plus 0 into 0 minus 1 to box of AB, that is equal to box A. If A bar is equal to I plus J plus K, B bar is equal to I plus J and C bar is equal to I bar, and A bar cross B cross C is equal to lambda A bar plus mu B bar, then lambda plus mu is equal to dash. First we find the value of A bar cross B bar, that is equal to I J K 1 1 1 110, that is equal to I into 0 minus 1 minus j into 0 minus 1 plus k into 1 minus 1, that is equal to minus I plus j. Now a bar cross b cross c bar is equal to I j k minus 1 1 0. C bar is 1, I bar, that is 1 0 0, that is equal to I into 0 minus 0 minus j into 0 minus 0 plus k into 0 minus 1 equal to minus. So now we find lambda a bar plus mu b bar. Is lambda into a bar is I plus j plus k plus mu into b bar I plus j, that is equal to I into lambda plus mu plus j into lambda plus mu plus lambda into k. So value is given lambda a bar plus mu b bar equal to given a bar cross c equal to I of lambda plus mu plus j of lambda plus mu plus lambda k is equal to this value is minus k. So equating the coefficients of I bar, is lambda plus mu is equal to 0. So the value of lambda plus mu is 0. If a bar comma b bar comma c bar are three vectors such that a bar is equal to b bar plus c bar and the angle between b bar and c bar is pi by 2, then dash. Here is given a bar is equal to b bar plus c bar. Now squaring on both sides, that is a square is equal to b square plus c square plus 2 into b bar dot c. Here is given angle between b bar and c bar is pi by 2. That means are perpendicular vectors, that is b bar dot c bar is equal to 0. That means substituting in this value, a square is equal to square plus c square plus 2 into 0, that is square is equal to b square plus. If capital D comma E comma F are the midpoints of the sides AB, AC and BC in a triangle ABC, then BE bar plus AF bar is equal to dash. MSET 2003 question. Here D bar is the midpoint of AB bar, that means OD bar is equal to A bar plus B bar by 2, and OE bar is the midpoint of AC bar, is A bar plus C bar by 2. F is the midpoint of BC, is F bar is equal to B bar plus C bar by 2. Now we find the value of BE bar. BE bar is equal to OE bar minus OB bar. So OE bar is A bar plus C bar by 2 minus OB bar, that is B bar, that is equal to A bar plus C bar minus 2B bar by 2. And the AF bar is equal to OF bar minus OA bar, that is OF bar is B bar plus C bar by 2 minus A, that is equal to B bar plus C bar minus 2A bar by 2. Now find CD bar. CD bar is equal to OD bar minus OD bar is A bar plus B bar by 2 minus OC bar C equal to A bar plus B bar minus 2C bar by 2. Now we add these two, BE bar plus AF bar. So BE bar value is A bar plus C bar minus 2B bar by 2 plus B bar plus C bar minus 2A bar by 2 equal to, take LCM, that is 2 LCM, A bar plus C bar minus B bar plus B bar plus C bar minus 2A bar, that is equal to B bar plus C bar 2C bar, A bar minus 2A bar, that is minus A bar minus 2B bar plus B bar minus B bar by 2. So take minus common, that is minus of A bar plus B bar minus 2 bar by 2. value is equal to minus C bar. Minus CD bar is DC. So your first option is correct answer. If G is the centroid of triangle ABC, then GA bar plus BZ bar plus GC bar is equal to dash. MSET 2004 question. We know that here is given G is centroid. That means centroid means GA bar plus BB bar plus GC bar is equal. From this equation, GA bar plus GC bar is equal to minus bar. Here is asking A bar plus BZ bar plus G bar. That is GA bar plus GC bar is equal to minus GB bar plus BZ bar. That is minus GB bar is BZ bar plus BG bar equal to BZ. Value of GA bar plus BZ bar plus GC bar is equal to 2BZ. If the vectors I bar plus 3J bar plus 4K bar and lambda I bar minus 4J bar plus K bar are orthogonal to each other, lambda is equal to dash. This is MSET 2004 question. Here A bar is given, that is I bar plus 3J bar plus 4K bar, and B bar is given, that B bar is equal to lambda I minus 4J plus K. Here A bar comma B bar are orthogonal vectors. That means A bar dot B bar is equal to, that is I plus 3J plus 4K dot lambda I minus 4J plus K is equal to 0. Applying dot product, lambda minus 12 plus 4 is equal to 0. Lambda minus 8 is equal, lambda is equal to 8. If I bar plus 2J bar plus 3K bar, comma 3I bar plus 2J bar plus K bar are the sides of a parallelogram, then a unit vector is parallel to one of the diagonal of the parallelogram. This is MSET 2004 question. Here is sides is given, that is OA bar is equal to I bar plus 2J bar plus 3K bar, and OB bar is equal to 3I plus 2J plus K. This is the parallelogram OACB. AC. From this, one of the diagonal is OC. C is equal to OA plus AC. This AC is equal to OB, that is OA plus OB. From AC is equal to OA bar is given, that is I plus 2J plus 3K, and OB bar is given, that I plus 2J plus K equal to 4I plus 4J plus 4. Now unit vector is equal to, unit vector of the diagonal OC is 4I plus 4J plus 4K by under root of 16 plus 16 plus, that is equal to 4 common I plus J plus K by root of 16 into 3. Here root 16 is 4, 4 cancelled, I plus J plus K by root. This is the one of the diagonal. If A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to 0 and mod A bar is equal to 3, mod B bar is equal to 4 and mod C bar is equal to 37, then the angle between A bar and B bar is dash. This is MSET 2006 question. Is given A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal. From this equation, A bar plus B bar is equal to minus C. That is squaring on both sides. That is mod A square plus mod B square plus 2 A dot B, mod A into mod B to cos theta equal to mod C square. A value is given, that is 3. 3 square is 9 The mod b is equal to 4, that is mod b square 60 minus 2 into 3 into 4 cos theta is equal to mod c square, that is 7. So that is 2 into 3, 6 into 4, that is 24 cos theta is equal to 37 minus 25, that is equal to 12. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 12 by 20, that is equal to 1 by 2. So theta is equal to pi by 3. Therefore, angle between A bar and B bar is pi by 3. A bar into I is equal to A bar into 2I plus j is equal to A bar into I plus j plus 3k is equal to 1. Then A bar is equal to dash. Same set 2000. Now we take A bar is equal to A1I plus A2j plus A3k. Here is first relation is given, that is A bar dot I is equal to 1. A bar is A1I plus A2j plus 3k dot I is equal to, is A1 is equal to 1. Value of A1 is 1. And the second is given, second relation, that is A bar plus 2I plus j is equal. A bar is A1I plus A2j 3k dot 2I plus j equal to 1, that is 2a1 plus a2 is equal to 1. Already a1 is 1, substituting in this, plus a2 is equal to 1. From this a2 is equal to minus. And the third relation, A bar dot I plus j plus 3k is equal to 1. That is A bar is A1I plus A2j plus A3k dot I plus j plus 3k is equal to 1. Is A1 plus A2 plus 3A3 is equal to 1. Substituting A1, A2 value, 1 minus plus 3A3 is equal to 1. From this, A3 is equal to 1 by 3. So therefore, A bar vector is 1I plus A2j plus A3. Taking the values of A1, A2, A3. I minus j plus 1 by 3 into is the volume of the tetrahedron with edges I plus j plus k, I minus j plus k, and I plus 2j minus k is dash. This is MSET 2007 question. So volume of the tetrahedron as edges is given. Volume of tetrahedron is equal to 1 by 6 of box of AB bar, AC bar, AD bar. That is equal to 1 by 6 into 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 2 minus 1, 1 by 6, 1 into 1 minus 1 equal to 1 by 6 to 1 minus 1. So minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 2 plus 3, 5 minus 1, 4 by 6, that is equal to 2 by 3. Volume of the tetrahedron is by 3 cubic. The ratio in which I plus 2j plus 3k divides the join of minus 2i plus 3j plus 5k and 7i minus k dash. The two here the position vector minus 2i plus 3j plus 5k is 7i bar minus k. This line divided by the point I plus j plus 3k. So now we find the ratio taken as lambda is to 1. So applying the formula, lambda into 7i minus k plus 1 into minus 2i plus 3j plus 5k, 5 lambda plus 1 equal to e plus j dk. Take I common, that is 7 lambda minus 2 by lambda plus 1 plus 3j by lambda plus 1 plus k common is 5 minus lambda by lambda plus equal to I plus 2j plus equating the coefficients 5 bar on both sides, that lambda minus 2 plus lambda minus 2 equal to lambda plus lambda is equal to 3, lambda is equal to 3 by 6 1 by 2. Therefore lambda is to 1 ratio is equal to 1 is to 2. If OACB is a parallelogram, C bar is equal to A bar and AB bar is equal to B bar, then OA bar is equal to dash. MSET 2000 question. Here parallelogram is given. The parallelogram. A given OC bar is equal to A bar, AB bar is equal to B bar. Now from the figure, OC bar is equal to OA bar plus bar. So OC bar value is given, that is equal to A bar is equal to OA bar plus bar. The first. And OA bar plus AB bar is equal to OB bar. AB bar is given, that is OA bar plus AB bar is B is equal to B bar, OB bar. This OB bar, from the figure, OB bar is equal to AC bar. In this value in this equation, that is OA bar plus B bar is equal to A. This is the second equation. So add these two equations. Equation plus second equation. A bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. So B bar is equal to OA bar plus B bar equal to A bar plus B bar is equal to OA bar plus AC bar plus B bar. AC bar cancelled. OA bar is equal to bar minus A bar is equal to A bar minus B bar by 2. This is the value of A bar. If theta is an acute angle and the vector sin theta into I bar plus cos theta into j bar is perpendicular to the vector I bar minus root 3 into j bar, then theta is equal to dash. This is MSET 2000 question. Here is given A bar, first vector is taken as A bar, that is sin theta into I bar plus cos theta into j bar, and B bar is equal to I bar minus root 3 into j bar. So these two vectors are perpendicular. A bar comma B bar are perpendicular. That is perpendicular means A bar dot B bar is equal to 0. That is sin theta into I bar plus cos theta into j bar dot I bar minus root 3 into j bar is equal to 0. Is sin theta minus root 3 into cos theta is equal to 0. Sin theta is equal to 3 cos theta. From this, tan theta is equal to root 3. Theta is equal to 3 degrees, that is 5 by 3. If 2 out of 3 vectors are unit vectors, A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to 0, and 2 into A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot C bar plus C bar dot A bar plus 3 is equal to 0, then find the vector of that length. This is MSET 2000 question. Here is given 2 out of 3 vectors are unit vectors That is, let the vectors be a bar comma b bar comma c bar. Two vectors are unit vector. Is mod a bar is equal to mod b bar is equal to 1. Now we find the length of the vector c bar. Here is given relation a bar plus b bar plus c bar is equal to 0. So and 2 into a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar is equal to minus 3. So squaring on both sides, that is mod a square plus mod b square plus mod c square plus 2 into a bar dot b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar is equal to 0. This value is minus 3. Mod a is 1 square is 1, mod b square 1 plus mod c square plus 2 into this value is, so this is 2 into this value minus 3 is equal to 0. That is mod c bar square 2 plus minus 3 is equal to 0. Mod c bar square is equal to 1. Mod c is equal to 1. The third vector is also the unit. That means mod c is equal to 1. If theta is the angle between the vectors 2i plus 2j plus 4k and 3i plus j plus 2k, then sin theta is equal to dash. This is MSET 2000 question. Here is given two vectors, that is a bar is equal to 2i plus 2j plus 4k and b bar is equal to 3i plus j plus 2k. So first we find mod a bar. Mod a bar is under root of 4 plus 4 plus 6, that is equal to root 20, and mod b bar is equal under root of 9 plus 1 plus 4 equal to root. We know that cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar by mod a bar into mod b bar. That a bar dot b bar by plus 2j plus 4k dot 3i plus j plus 2k by mod a bar is root 24 to root 14, that is equal to dot product 2i into 3i, 6 plus 2 plus 8 by root 24 to root, that is root 16 by, so root 24 is written as 6 into 4, 14, 3 into 4 into 10 is 7 into 2, that is equal to 15 by root 4 is 2 into root 2 into root 2, that is 2 into root 21, that is equal to 2. 8 times cancelled, therefore cos theta is equal to 4 by root 21. So sin theta is equal to the root of 1 minus cos square theta equal to 1 minus 15 by 21, that is equal to root over 21 minus 6 by 21 is equal to root over 5 by, therefore sin theta is equal to under root of 5 by, this is the value of sin. If a bar is equal to 2i bar plus 3j bar minus 4k bar, comma b bar is equal to I bar plus j bar plus k bar, and c bar is equal to 4i bar plus 2j bar plus 3k bar, then modulus of a bar cross b bar cross c bar is equal to, this is MSET 2000 question. First we find b bar cross c bar, that is equal to I j k. B bar is 1 1 1. C bar vector is 4 2, that is equal to I into 3 1 into 3 3 minus 2 minus j bar into 3 minus 4 plus k bar into 2 minus 4, that is equal to 3 minus 2 into 1, that is I bar, 3 minus 4 minus plus j bar minus 2k bar, Now we find A bar cross B bar cross C bar equal I A K. A bar is 2 3 minus 4 1 minus 2. B bar cross C is equal to I into minus 6 plus 4 minus J into minus 4 plus K into 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 2I minus K. So now modulus of A bar cross B bar cross C bar is equal to the root of minus 2 whole square plus minus 1 whole square, that is 4 plus 1 equal to under root of 5. Modulus of A bar cross B bar cross C bar equal to 5. B bar cross C bar cross A bar is equal to dash. This is MSET 2000 question. This is the formula. From the formula, this is written as B bar cross C bar dot A bar into C bar minus B bar cross C bar to C bar A bar, that is equal to, this is box ABC C bar minus this box BC A bar. Here is C is repeated, so box value is 0 is equal to box ABC into C bar minus 0 into A bar, that is equal to box ABC bar. If A bar is equal to I bar plus 4J bar, comma B bar is equal to 2I bar minus 3J bar, comma C bar is equal to 5I bar plus 9J bar, then C bar is equal to dash. This is MSET 2001 question. First answer is 2A bar plus B bar. Second option A bar plus 2B bar. Third one 3A bar plus B bar. Fourth one A bar plus. Here is C bar vector is given. That C bar is equal to 5I bar plus 9J bar. So this 5I bar, that is, now I find 3A bar plus B bar, that is 3 into A bar I bar plus 4A bar plus B bar, that is 2I minus 3J equal to 3I plus 12J plus 2I 3J is equal to 3I plus 2I, that is 5I, 12J minus 3J plus 9J. So value is equal to C bar. C bar is equal to 3 into A bar plus B bar. Here third option is correct answer.